welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. The Enforcer Tactical Gauntlet and Throwing Knives. Inspired by the Assassin's Creed series, the Enforcer Tactical Gauntlet includes a retractable knife with a 15 cm blade and two 7 cm throwing knives. Made from durable polyurethane and nylon, it offers comfort and a secure fit with Velcro and buckles. This tactical self-defense tool provides versatility and readiness for various situations, combining traditional weaponry with modern design elements. The retractable knife and throwing knives make it suitable for both close and ranged self-defense. Priced at $110, the Enforcer Tactical Gauntlet is an affordable and effective addition to any self-defense arsenal, appealing to enthusiasts and practical users alike. M48 Cyclone Dagger Knife. The M48 Cyclone is a tactical knife featuring a distinctive spiral-twisted 203mm blade made from surgical-grade 2 Sierra 13 steel, commonly used for high-quality surgical instruments. The handle is reinforced with 30% fiberglass, providing durability and a secure grip in various conditions. Additionally, the knife includes a glass breaker, making it a versatile tool for emergencies and tactical situations. Its unique design and robust construction make it both a functional and visually striking weapon, suitable for collectors and practical users. The M48 Cyclone is available for purchase at $136, offering high quality and reliability at a reasonable price.